Aluminium cans are one of the success stories of Australian recycling. We collect around 2.4 billion cans a year. That's a 70% recycling rate. And they can be back on the shelves as new containers within 60 days. Making a new can from recycled aluminium uses 5% of the energy required to make one from bauxite, the raw material used to produce aluminium. So recycling provides major benefits in terms of both conserving natural resources and reducing the impact on the environment caused by creating new products from raw materials. The challenge we all face is to increase our levels of recycling so that everything we use around the home that can be recycled is recycled, and we need to learn to recycle effectively. With a little care, it's possible to maximize the effectiveness of your family's recycling efforts. So it's worth being aware of what can and can't be put into your yellow-topped bin for recycling. This may even help you to change your shopping habits to increase the percentage of recyclable material you produce. Supermarket plastic bags aren't recycled, and they create a major problem in landfill sites. So if you don't already have reusable bags, this is your opportunity to take a responsible step and start using them. And if you're only buying a few items and don't have a reusable bag with you, why not forget the bag altogether? Polystyrene foam is made from petroleum products and used widely for packaging because it's cheap to produce and very light, about 95% air. It's not accepted for recycling at our recycling centres, so any waste you have has to go into your general waste bin and will end up in landfill, where it takes up a lot of space and can also release toxic gases into the environment. UHT cartons, the ones with a flat top and waxy feel used for long-life milk and juice, are made from a type of liquid paperboard, which consists of 3 layers of plastic, 1 of foil and another of board. Unfortunately, they are difficult to recycle and should be placed in with your general waste. So if you are just purchasing milk and juice for everyday use, why not buy products in fully recyclable packaging? Gable-top milk and juice cartons are also made of a form of liquid paperboard. However, in this case, it is a layer of board sandwiched between 2 layers of biodegradable plastic, which can be recycled into products like cardboard boxes. When your recycling arrives at the materials recovery facility, it's sorted by both hand and mechanical processes to separate the various materials. Metal has always been a valuable recycling material, and recycling uses far less energy than producing it from raw materials. Aluminium and steel cans, including aerosols, can all go into your recycling bin. Give cans a quick rinse in cold water and place the lids inside the cans before they go in the bin. Remove the nozzles and lids from aerosols, but make sure that you don't crush or puncture them as they can explode under pressure. Clean aluminium foil and trays can also be recycled. All clean paper products can go into your recycling bin, including newspapers, glossy magazines, office paper, envelopes, egg cartons, phone books and cardboard boxes. However, if they are food soiled, drop them into your general waste bin. It's okay to flatten boxes so they take up less room, but leave paper and cardboard loose, not tied or bundled. Generally, glass is a great recycling product. It can be processed over and over again without any loss in quality. Glass jars and bottles can all go into your recycling bin. However, to help the separation process, before you put them in, remember to remove the lids. Unfortunately, not all glass products can be recycled in our region. Sheet glass and mirrors, drinking glasses, spectacles, light globes, oven glass, pottery and porcelain all need to go in with your general waste, as they can contaminate and reduce the quality of the recycled glass. Most plastic is not biodegradable, and unless it's recycled, will survive in the environment for hundreds of years. It is estimated that plastic waste in the ocean is responsible for killing more than 1 million seabirds and 100,000 mammals like seals and dolphins every year. So the recycling of plastic is much more than a financial consideration. Plastic products are marked with a code to show the type of resin that it is made from. In our region, your council is able to collect and recycle plastic bottles and containers of less than 5 litres in size that are marked with the recycling symbol with numbers 1 to 7. Water, soft drink and fruit juice bottles. Milk bottles and shampoo containers. Detergent, cordial, juice and squeeze bottles. Shampoo and cleaning product containers. Ice cream containers and medicine bottles. Plastic cutlery, CD cases. And finally, other plastics. It is vitally important that we recycle as much plastic as possible. So if you see the plastic recycling symbol with the numbers 1 to 7, except for polystyrene, place it in your recycling bin. When you shop, be aware of how products are packed. If the packaging can't be recycled, do you really need it? Is there an alternative? Can non-recyclable material be used in another way? And when you do recycle, make sure that your efforts count. Remember to take caps off of bottles and jars. Leave newspapers and magazines unbundled. Place recyclables loosely in the bin, and never put them into a plastic bag before you drop them in. Recycling is all about using resources wisely, and by making it part of your family's daily routine, you'll be playing a big part in helping to protect our environment.